Hi, so the latest update with the 2019 Acura RDX is that I got a rock chip in my windshield. But I think you can see it there. It's not that big and it's not that deep. I checked online and Safelite wants $150 to repair a rock chip if they come out to you. So instead, I picked this up on Amazon. It's a windshield repair kit. It was highly rated. So I figured I'd give this a try. So I'm going to show you how I do this. It's not intended to be a tutorial. First, I'm going to use this push pin that they give you to make sure there's no loose glass in there. I'm going to apply this sticker guide over it, facing up over the hole. So there, put that up. Alright, pull this up. Oops, and put this on here so it lines up. Air bubbles and it's all tight. Okay, cut the top off of this, and I'm supposed to put in about 3/4. It's hard to tell what 3/4 is, so I put a bunch in. See what happens. This into here, the plunger. Now I need to bring this up until this second. This is a little hard to do. It's taking the air out, I guess. Lock it in place. It's supposed to suck the air up or create a vacuum. So now that I did that, I need to wait for 10 minutes. I've waited 10 minutes now, and I put gloves on just because I don't want to get any of this stuff on me if it would leak out. Now I need to unscrew this. Now put it back in and push this down to the second one. And now I need to wait 20 minutes. Okay, it's been 20 minutes. So I'm going to remove this now, and I'm going to remove this from the window. It's really stuck on here. Oh, there you go. Oops. Ah, shoot. Son of a... Well, that didn't work out well now, did it? Ugh. Lots of resin coming out. Yeah. This seems kind of messy. Just to get the stuff that's around it. Alright, I tried to clean the best I could the windshield. Okay, now I'm supposed to put a little drop on here. Put this curing sheet on top of it. Make sure there's no air bubbles. Okay, now that that's on there, I need to move this into direct sunlight for 15 minutes. I moved this into direct sunlight so to cure. It's supposed to sit for 15 minutes, direct sunlight, or an hour if it's cloudy. I have direct sunlight. So it's been 15 minutes, and I'm supposed to take this off and then clean it with that alcohol pad they give you, but that pad is already dry. It was barely wet, I think, and it's so tiny. So I have some rubbing alcohol I got. This came right up. Use this to... I will say, it was hard for me to see where the chip was when I came back to scrape this off. I'm going to use some rubbing alcohol now. Should I clean up? I don't know if you're going to be able to see that on camera really, but you can definitely tell when I touch it that it's filled in, and it is less visible now. I'll say that much for it. It's a lot better than it was. It definitely feels filled in, so I'd say this was a success.